Welcome back. This is 7 National News, and in our top business story, nearly half of the country's consumer expenditure, at 41%, at around 278 billion dirhams, went on housing back in 2014. That's almost 25% of the country's gross domestic product, according to the latest report. According to a report compiled by the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry and based on data released by Euromonitor International, the next biggest expense for UAE residents after housing was food and beverage, which accounted for 14% of total expenditure, or more than 94 billion dirhams in 2014. Transport represented 9.3% of total household expenses, while communications, which included mobile phones and internet, covered 7.8% of consumer spending in 2014. Expenses on clothing and footwear represented 7.4% of combined spending, and hotels and catering accounted for 4.9%, while spend on education, childcare and other categories were not specified. The report also showed that the total amount of money that UAE consumers spend on various essentials has been growing by 6.7% every year in real terms. And in 2014, UAE residents spent a total of 673 billion dirhams, which has been forecast to reach 750 billion by next year. Experts cited a rapid rise in youth population coupled with a high influx of new expat residents for the growth in spending. The Dubai Health Authority is planning to open 22 new healthcare facilities, 18 private and 4 public, in the coming years, according to a senior official. Humaid Al-Khatami, the Chairman and Director General of the Dubai Health Authority, made the announcement and was quoted in a local daily saying that the healthcare strategy will generate numerous openings for investors across the sector, with medical tourism, e-services and specialised hospital expansion ripe for development. Dubai's new healthcare initiative was presented back in January, consisting of a 5-year roadmap to improve the quality and cost-effectiveness of health services in the Emirate through public and private sector collaboration. Al-Khatami added that some of the key features include a sharper focus on prevention, health and lifestyle, smart healthcare and governance. He also highlighted the tremendous opportunity for investment in e-health initiatives. The largest low-cost airline for Central and Eastern Europe, Wizz Air, is set to launch a new route to and from Dubai from October the 31st this year. The airline announced the new route through a statement from its Qatar space to Dubai World Central Airport and will operate 2 flights per week on Mondays and Fridays. Wizz Air was the first airline operating flights to Dubai World Central in 2013, and last year carried more than 1.5 million passengers on its low-fare routes, supporting over 1,000 local jobs. With its newest Dubai service, Wizz Air now offers a total of 127 routes to 22 countries from its 8 Polish airports. Dubai's Department of Tourism and Commerce Marketing will bring in more than 300 travel trade professionals to this year's Arabian Travel Market as a part of an enriched partner program, and will use the show to launch a number of new initiatives, programs and industry reports. ATM is running from the 25th to the 28th of April this year at the Dubai World Trade Center, where Dubai's appeal to a diverse range of traveller segments and source markets will be on show. Dubai Tourism's stand will see new components such as a giant TV screen, displaying Dubai's year-round blue skies as well as various airborne attractions. Courtesy of Dubai Culture and Arts Authority, artworks from local galleries will also be on display, along with free reading material to celebrate the Year of Reading. Dubai 360, the online interactive tour of the city launched last year, will also return this year, allowing guests to experience some of Dubai's attractions, while other elements will include Dubai Calendar, which will highlight exciting events and festivals coming up in the next 12 months. Joining forces with Dubai Tourism for the event will be Dubai Police, the Department of Naturalisation and Residency Dubai, and the Dubai Health Authority, focusing on the Emirates medical tourism segment.